I have 3 slimes and I'm going to be testing which one is the stickiest. First of all, this one's the purple. Now I'll just put it inside my airtight container. Here's a nice orange slime. It is a bit stiff, so I probably won't use this one. And I was trying to show you the metallic color, but it didn't really work. Sorry about that. This is pink, and it is a bit sticky, so I might as well use this one. It is pretty stretchy as well. I also like this one because it was metallic as well. Now I just need to pick from these 3. I chose pink. I'm just going to break it in half because I'm not sure if this will actually work. And then if I just use the whole thing, my slime will just be a waste. And yeah. To make it a bit more sticky, I added some hair conditioner so the Kinetic slime can cling on. I'm just going to add a few pumps here. Three pumps should be good. Now I'll just mix it all up. As you can see, it is getting a bit stickier, and this is what I was aiming for, so I'm pretty happy of how it's turning out right now. Here's the Kinetic sand I'll be using. I'm just gonna get a little bit out, or maybe the whole thing, and I'm just gonna gradually get little by little and then put it into the slime. Now I'll mix this bit up. When I started to mix it, it was already feeling really good. And if this works, like fully works, I would definitely recommend you to try it. I added a bit more and I'm going to mix this up. I also had really fun doing this. It is getting a bit sandy now and it's really good. So I used the whole thing because this was amazing. This fully worked. Now that I know that it works, I made a big batch of it. And OMG, it feels amazing. It's very clicky, so I decided to show you the clips. Enjoy. I found this really cute container to put my slime in, but obviously it will not fit because obviously my slime is too big. So I just decided I should just put a little bit into the little perfume bottle and just put the rest in the Kinetic sand bucket. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.